Hey guys, this is Stint and we are learning PHP, and in this part I will teach you arithmetic operators, right? So PHP has a many types of the operator. So I will show you that arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment, decrement operator, logical operator, string operator. I will teach you one by one. So first let's see arithmetic operator. An arithmetic operator has a plus, minus, star for multiplication, right? Forward slash for division, and this is percent sign for modulus, right? So let's see the example and understand. So x plus y, x is 10 and y is 5. So when you add, the result will be 15. Control S and let's see the result. Just start control panel, just click it here and start control panel and close it and refresh. So you can see result is 15, right? So when you replace plus, minus, control S and check, 10 minus 5 is 5, right? And let's check for multiplication, just edit star, control S for save and refresh, is 50, right? And one by one, this is for division, right? So 10 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5, so result will be 2. And this is for reminder, right? So when we want to get the remainder 10 divided by 5, it means it's completely divided by, so remainder will be 0. So control S and save, so you can see result is 0, right? So so the so this is the tutorial of the arithmetic operator, which we have seen clearly. So now you have understood arithmetic operators, and next part I will teach you assignment operators. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Bye, take care.